This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of the wine expert or the wine specialist, the one who knows all the wines in a restaurant and the one who serves you the wine at a restaurant, who gives you advice on which wine to pair best with your dishes, with your meal. We are looking at how to pronounce the wine term sommelier. Sommelier. So sommelier comes from French sommelier. This is originally a French word and a French name. Sommelier. Sommelier, with the typical French pronunciation, it would be sommelier, sommelier. But it'd be fine if you say sommelier. Sommelier. Do not insist too much on the R at the end. Do not necessarily say sommelier, but rather sommelier. 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 I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.